discipline comes from training, and these folks, as you can see, have been highly trained, and discipline comes after training, and actually they will have similar effect on the rest of the Somali military forces, and the ones that have not been through this kind of training. Now the commander of the armed forces has actually set up a program where they will all rotate and go through similar programs. So at some point in the near future, all Somali National Force troops will be trained and professional.
Zat! Two, combination two. Say that!
It is truly because of the efforts of the international community and the Somali folks coming together, thanks to the African Union, European Union, and all our peace-loving nations that have truly stuck with us through this hard time. This group, they will truly change the face of Somali National Force. As you know, the image has always been that they are not professional, that they are not a properly trained military. But this shows now that we are on the right track, that we are structuring the military, and that they will truly be the kind of force that Somali people will be proud of, and that will live in peace with its neighbors.